Is Breezeline down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Breezeline right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here, I already went on Twitter and searched for Breezeline down so I can see if um, other people have problems with it also. So indeed, many users have problems with it. As you can see here, there are a lot of comments in a short time. People are complaining with Breezeline issues, internet is down. So yeah, just people are complaining with Breezeline. The internet providers in the US just went down. So guys, if you do have issues with it, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about it, your questions, if it's still down, what it's not working. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.